right, here we are at the Bistro in beautiful Hayward, but we got Matt Sager, who's been on the mashup, good friend of mine, who just won at the Bistro. Tell us how it feels, man.
Danville, Chuck.
The fact that there's so many rad beers here and so many awesome brewers, it feels that much better to win something like this. And I think that the fact that these brewers are always brewing better and better beer every year, it pushes me to brew better beer. Man, it's awesome.
I think we in the beer industry know it, but like tell everybody out there in homebrewing how cool the Bistro is. And 30 years now or something?
Vic and Cynthia are doing a great service to the brewing community by having this competition every year and showcasing beers and putting beers like this on a pedestal. You know, the fact that it's not just California beers, that it's showcased nationwide. Yeah, it's rad.
Congratulations, it is awesome.